In this video, we will learn the powers of numbers, okay? Because this is a must for faster calculation. Now we will be learning all these powers. So power of 1 from 1 to infinity, power of 10 from 1 to infinity, power of 2 from 1 to 12, power of 3 from 1 to 8, power of 4, power of 5 from 1 to 6, powers of 6, 7, 8 and 9 from 1 to 4, power of 11 again from 1 to 4, power of 12, 13, 15, 16, 19, 21 and 25 from 1 to 3 and power of 20 from 1 to 12. Now, we divide all these powers into various categories. So, the first section over here is this one represented by the yellow rectangles. Now, the second section will be this. The third section will be this. Now, these are all different categories and will be done separately. Now the powers of 1 and the powers of 10, we will not be covering this because I hope you understand this automatically. The powers of 13, 15, 19 and 21. Okay. Now it is always better if you remember this, but I am going to say that these are optional. It is always recommended that you remember this for competitive exams where time is of the essence. Okay. Now let us get started. So the first we have powers of 2, 4, 6, 12 and 20. Now 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16, 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32, 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64, 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128, 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256, 2 to the power 9 is equal to 512, 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024, 2 to the power 11 is equal to 2048 and 2 to the power 12 is equal to 4096. Now we will try to establish a relation between powers of 4 and powers of 2. So 4 to the power 1 is obviously equal to 4, but it can also be written as 2 square, so this is equal to 4. 4 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 16. 4 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 6, which is equal to 64. 4 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 8 and which is equal to 256. 4 to the power 5 is equal to 2 to the power 10, which is equal to 1024. And lastly, 4 to the power 6 is equal to 2 to the power 12, which is equal to 4096. Now we will try to establish a relation between powers of 8 and powers of 2. So 8 to the power 1 is obviously equal to 8, but it can also be written as 2 cubed. Alright, so this is 8. 8 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 6, which is equal to 64. 8 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 9, which is equal to 512. And lastly, 8 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 12, which is equal to 4096. Now again we will cover the powers of 16 and relate it with the powers of 2. So 16 to the power 1 is obviously equal to 16, but it can also be written as 2 to the power 4. Okay. 16 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 8 and it is equal to 256. 16 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 12, which is equal to 4096. And then we have powers of 20 and we will relate it to the powers of 2. Now 20 to the powers anything, that is, let us suppose 20 to the power k can be written as 2 to the power k into 10 to the power k. Alright. Now let us take the example 20 cube. So 20 cube can be written as 2 cube into 10 cube. So this is equal to 8, that is 2 cube, followed by 3 zeros. Alright, and similarly let us take the example 20 to the power 7, so which is 2 to the power 7 into 10 to the power 7. Now 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128, so this is 128 followed by 7 zeros. Alright, now let us move on. Now we have covered all these and then next we will be covering powers of 3 and 9, powers of 5 and 25. Okay, so now let us get started. So we have powers of 3, powers of 9, powers of 5 and powers of 25. Okay. So first of all, powers of 3. 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3. 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9, 3 to the power 3 is equal to 27, 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81, 3 to the power 5 is equal to 243, 3 to the power 6 is equal to 729, 3 to the power 7 is equal to 2187, and 3 to the power 8 is equal to 6561. Now powers of 9, and we are going to relate it with the powers of 3. 9 to the power 1 is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. 9 to the power 2 is equal to 3 to the power 4, which is equal to 81. 9 to the power 3 is equal to 3 to the power 6, which is equal to 729. 9 to the power 4 is equal to 3 to the power 8, which is equal to 6561. Next, powers of 5. So we have 5 to the power 1 equal to 5, 5 to the power 2 is equal to 25, 5 to the power 3 is equal to 125, 5 to the power 4 is equal to 625, 5 to the power 5 is equal to 3125, and 5 to the power 6 is equal to 15625. Now we will solve the powers of 25 and relate it with the powers of 5. So 25 to the power 1 is obviously equal to 5 square, and it is obviously equal to 25. 25 square is equal to 5 to the power 4, which is equal to 625, and 25 to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 6, which is equal to 15625. Now let us move on to powers of 6, 7 and 12. So 6 to the power 1 equal to 6, 6 to the power 2 is equal to 36, 6 to the power 3 is equal to 216, and 6 to the power 4 is equal to 1296. Now powers of 7. 7 to the power 1 is obviously equal to 7, 7 to the power 2 is equal to 49, 7 to the power 3 is equal to 343, 7 to the power 4 is equal to 2401. And lastly, 12 to the power 1 is equal to 12, 12 to the power 2 is equal to 144, 12 to the power 3 is equal to 1728. Now let us check out the very interesting concept of 11 to the powers. Okay, so 11 to the power 1 can be written as 1, 1. Alright, and 11 to the power 2 can be written as 1. This 1 will come over here, and then you add these two ones, you will get 2. So the answer is 121. Now 11 to the power 3, this one will come over here, this one will come over here, 1 plus 2 becomes 3, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, and hence the answer is 1331. Now 11 to the power 4, this one will come over here, 1 plus 3 will become 4, 3 plus 3 will become 6, 3 plus 1 will become 4, and this one will come over here. So what you are doing is, you are adding the two digits immediately above, and hence you are getting the next digit, and this is the method by which we can calculate the powers of 11. Now I know we have told you that you must remember the powers of 11 from 1 to 4, but you can extend this rule also, and then you can get 11 to the power 5, 6, 7 and so onwards. Okay, now let us take 11 to the power 5 also. So 11 to the power 5, this one will come over here, this one will come over here. 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Now obviously this is incorrect because these are 2-digit numbers. Rather what we do is, this one will get carried over and this one will get carried over, and hence the answer will be 16105, and this is the value of 11 to the power 5. Okay. Now let us also solve 11 to the power 6. So 11 to the power 6. This one will come over here. 1 plus 6 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And this one will come over here. So the value of 11 to the power 6 is 1771561, and you can extend this method also so as to get 11 to the power 7, 11 to the power 8 and so onwards. But for now let us move on. Now we have some extra information. Okay. Now this is optional. You may or may not remember this, although it is always beneficial if you remember this from competition point of view. So 13 to the power 1 is obviously equal to 13. 13 to the power 2 is equal to 169. 13 to the power 3 is equal to 2197. 15 to the power 1 is obviously equal to 15. 15 square is equal to 225 and 15 cube is equal to 3375. 19 to the power 1 is equal to 19. 19 square is equal to 361. 19 cube is equal to 6859 and 21 to the power 1 is obviously 21. 21 to the power 2 is equal to 441 and 21 to the power 3 is equal to 9261. And this, my friends, is the powers of numbers you must remember for faster calculation. Okay, I hope you can remember this with a little bit of hard work. Thank you.